The especially current exchanging volume of torrential slide generally is at $86,110,722 in a kind of large manner. Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline. Avax United States dollar medium-term support truly remained at $13.68 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slides EMA 10, for the most part, shows an extremely descending pattern incredibly. 28 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and especially attempt to answer these habitually in a real sense. Got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what certainly is somewhat transient cost expectation for torrential slide, all things considered, is Avax a truly wise venture? Or so they most certainly thought. Torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so on, which especially is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to plunging profound into the Avax specialized investigation, in every practical sense, let us in a real sense discuss the especially current economic situations, or so they for the most part thought. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there by and large was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,182,183,498,100. Truly further appearance, how torrential slide support and obstruction levels and so forth, which certainly is very huge. The fundamentally absolute exchanging volume certainly remains at $26,292,611,763. Or so they certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a predominance of 16.33%, really in opposition to mainstream thinking, which in every practical sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,272.29 level after a decay of 0.58%, showing how 28 July 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through torrential slide cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and in every way that really matters. Attempt to answer these habitually for the most part sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what in a real sense is truly transient cost expectation for torrential slide, for the most part, is Avax a wise interest in a for the most part significant manner, various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value decline of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents, following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Which by and large is very critical. BNB, the exceptionally local coin of BNB, really is up by 0.08, and right now exchanging at $241.76, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a value decline of 0.23%, coming to $1,869.44 during the past 24 hours, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, showing how Avax United States dollar medium-term support commonly remained at $13.68, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions basically show that the market explicitly is going in a truly descending bearing for pretty momentary in a very huge manner. As of now, an especially broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how these occasions certainly demonstrate that the market certainly is going in every practical sense, descending heading for most certainly present moment, which really is genuinely huge. Torrential slide backing and obstruction backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized pointers used to in a real sense recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of huge manner. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers essentially become certainly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Avax cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost graph in an especially huge manner. Similarly, opposition in every practical sense is a level at which merchants especially become move truly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exceptionally further appearance. How Avax cost streaks, indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, or so they for the most part thought. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of torrential slide, Avax avalanche execution. The truly current torrential slide cost truly is $13.14, with an exchanging volume of $86,110,722 in every way that really matters, recent hours in an unpretentious way. At present, Avax for the most part is somewhere near 1.36% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,546,749,725 United States dollars. Exhibiting how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 71 cents following a value change of 0.85% within a similar time span, showing how Bitcoin shares 48.14% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33% in a significant manner. Torrential slide value examination of Avax cost examination for 28 July 2023. Insight in everyday time period in a real sense, made sense of underneath in an all things considered, significant way. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal combination and disparity, MACD. Backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving truly normal, SMA, and outstanding moving commonly normal, EMA, to generally examine the future development of the avalanche. While Avax's Williams %R pointer truly is at 46.057 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange, truly signal for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach in a huge manner. The Avax United States dollar moving in every practical sense, normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, marker, explicitly is showing an extremely present moment, generally sell essentially signal, as the MACD line truly is moving beneath. Sort of sign line which, for the most part implies, especially bears explicitly are overwhelming on the lookout. So the Avax United States dollar moving all things considered, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD pointer in every practical sense, is demonstrating a genuinely present moment truly sell especially signal, as the MACD line especially is moving underneath truly signal line which generally implies, really bears by and large, are ruling in the market in an unobtrusive way. The coin most certainly is going down, as it basically break under two significant help levels of $14.76 and $13.68, showing that torrential slide backing and opposition backing and obstruction, especially are significant specialized markers used to sort of recognize genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. The market truly isn't reasonable for bulls, and truly bears could generally take Avax towards the following help at $12.86, which especially shows that torrential slide value examination of Avax